It appears that the Confederates are in a state of panic about the Antiguan revolt. I'm picking up a high number of Confederate transmissions going back and forth between their outposts and their headquarters on Tarsonis. Most of the transmissions are heavily coded, but wait, here's something.
There's a General Duke calling from Alpha Squadron flagship NORAD-2. We've crash-landed and are being hit hard by the Zerg. Request immediate backup from anyone receiving this signal. Repeat, this is a Priority 1 distress call.
Zerg? Here? Serves them right. About time they got a taste of what it's like to be in there mixing it up.
Jim, I want you to move in and save that base.
I'm positive I didn't hear that right.
Arcturus, have you lost your mind?
Listen, I know Duke's a cold-hearted bastard, but an entire colony shouldn't have to suffer for that. Besides, a Confederate general could prove to be a powerful ally. This is an opportunity we cannot miss.
I don't like this at all.
I'm not asking you to like it. I'm asking you to do it.
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's get this over with. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. That should be good. Oh yeah. That should be good.
Not enough minerals.
Yes. Jacked up and good to go.
Yes, sir?
Commander. Outstanding.
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir?
Go ahead, Terran. Standing by. Go, go, go. Doing this, we better hurry.
Insufficient Vespene
Ship won't
gas.
last long against those Zerg.
Roger that. Right away, sir. Roger that. Orders received.
Go ahead, Terran.
Yes, sir. Orders received.
Unacceptable
Jimmy.
landing zone.
Sounds fun. This should be good. Oh, yeah. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Right on. Anytime you're ready.
Orders, Captain.
Comlink online.
Anytime
Channel
you're ready.
open.
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir? Orders received.
Anytime you're ready. Right on. This should be good.
SCV good to go, sir.
Right on. Oh, yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun. This should be good.
Yes, sir?
This is Jimmy. Rainer here. Oh, yeah. Right
SCV
on.
good to go, sir.
This should be good. Oh, yeah. Anytime you're ready. Oh, yeah.
SCV good to go, sir.
Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun.
Reporting for duty.
Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun. Right on. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah.
SCV good to go, sir.
Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun.
SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals.
Reporting for duty.
Rainer here.
Your forces are under attack.
This should
SCV good to go, sir. Roger that. Orders received.
piece of me, boy.
Yes, sir. Orders,
Rainer
Captain.
here.
SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative. Orders received. Right away,
Want a
sir.
piece of me, boy? Outstanding. Let's move.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Orders received.
Your forces are under attack.
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go.
Reporting for duty.
Jacked up and good to go. You want a piece of me, boy?
Job
Channel open.
Not enough base is under attack.
Orders, Captain. Job's finished.
Commander. Rock and
Reporting for
roll.
duty.
Standing by. You want a piece of me, boy? Give me some
SCV
of this
good to
shit.
go, sir. Affirmative. Job's finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
I read you.
Base is
Systems
under
clear.
attack.
Orders, Captain. Job orders received. Right away, sir. Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Orders received. Job's finished.
Channel open. Standing by.
Base is under
I read you.
attack.
Right away, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy? This is Jimmy.
I read you. Reporting for duty.
Go ahead,
SCV good to go,
Commander.
sir.
Jacked up and good to go.
I read you. Orders, Captain.
Base is under attack.
Right away, sir. Roger that. Affirmative.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Orders, Captain.
Rainer here.
Not enough
I
minerals.
read you.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders received.
Not enough minerals.
Job's finished.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir.
Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Oh, yeah. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. This is Jimmy. Right on. Oh, yeah. Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. This should be good. Rainer here. This should be good.
Orders, Captain. Roger that.
Go ahead, Commander. Rainer here.
Upgrade complete.
I read you. Roger that. Right away, sir.
Rainer here. This is Jimmy. Go ahead, Commander. Rainer here.
Yes,
Your
sir.
forces are under
Orders
attack.
received.
Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy.
Reporting for duty.
Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun. You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir. Roger that. Affirmative.
Commander, rock and roll.
Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
I read you. I'm finished.
Commander. Go ahead, Commander. This is Jimmy. Raider here. Oh, yeah. Standing by. Go
Job
ahead,
finished.
Commander. Want a piece of me, boy?
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Job finished. I read you. SCP good to go, sir.
This is Jimmy. Commander, outstanding.
SCP good to go, sir. SCP good to go, sir.
Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah.
Job
Sounds fun.
finished. SCP good to go,
This should
sir.
be good.
SCP good to go,
Right
sir. Roger that. I read you. Reporting for duty.
Your forces are
Anytime
under
you're ready.
attack.
Oh,
SCP
yeah.
good to go, sir.
Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on.
Base is under attack.
SCP good to go, sir. SCP good to go, sir.
Systems functional.
Anytime you're ready. Right on. Sounds fun.
SCP good to go, sir.
Right on.
SCP good to go, sir.
Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Roger that.
Go ahead, Commander.
Orders, Captain. Reporting for duty. Roger that. Right away, sir.
Base is under attack.
Channel open. Go ahead, Admiral.
Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy.
Job finished.
This is Jimmy. Oh, yeah. Right on.
Reporting for duty. Job finished. I read you.
Rainer here.
Reporting for duty. Roger that.
Add-on complete.
Orders, Captain. Orders received. Reporting for duty.
Go ahead,
I
Commander.
read you.
Right on. This is Jimmy. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah. This should be good.
Job finished.
Yeah. This should be good.
Your forces are under attack.
Reporting for duty.
Go ahead, Commander. This should be good. Yeah. Right on. This should be good.
Reporting for duty.
This is Jimmy.
Report for duty.
Your forces are under attack. Add-on
Systems
complete.
functional.
I read you.
Channel open.
Not enough energy. Add-on complete.
This is Jimmy.
Orders job finished.
This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun.
Your forces are under
Waiting
attack.
launch orders. Right on.
Orders, Captain. Right away, sir.
Roger. Vector locked in. Transmit coordinates.
Reporting for duty.
Raider here.
Orders, Captain. Roger that. Yes, sir. Orders, Captain.
This is Jimmy.
Research complete.
Anytime you're ready.
Reporting for duty.
Wraith awaiting launch orders. Go ahead, Commander. Roger. Standing by. Reporting in. Roger. Vector locked in.
Base is under attack.
Orders, Captain.
Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received. Attack
Job
formation. Roger. Transmit coordinates. Vector
Orders,
locked
Captain.
in. Transmit coordinates. Roger. Coordinates received.
Upgrade
Vector
complete.
locked in. Roger. Vector locked
Additional
in.
supply
Coordinates
depots
received.
required.
Orders, Captain.
Anytime you're ready. Standing by. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Formation. Coordinates received. Go ahead, Commander. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation.
Your forces
Roger.
are under attack.
Job finished.
Reporting in.
Reporting for duty.
Base is under
Orders,
attack.
Captain. Orders, Captain.
Standing by. Attack formation.
Reporting for duty.
Go ahead, Commander. You want a piece of me, boy?
I read you.
Transmit coordinates. Attack formation. Wraith awaiting
Additional
launch
supply
orders.
depots
Yes,
required.
sir. Roger that.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Reporting in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. You want a piece of me,
Additional
boy?
supply depots
Vector locked
complete.
in.
Your forces are under
Job
attack.
finished.
Vector locked in.
I read you. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Right away,
Base is
sir.
under attack.
Wraith awaiting
Additional
launch
supply
orders.
depots required.
Job's finished. Yes, sir. Job's finished. Orders, Captain.
Transmit coordinates. Roger. This is Jimmy. Transmit. You want a piece of me, boy? Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Coordinates received. Roger. Attack formation.
Upgrade complete.
You want a piece of me, boy? Attack formation. Vector
Job
locked
finished.
in. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Go ahead, Commander. Sounds fun.
attack.
received. This is Jimmy. Transmit coordinates. Sounds fun. You want a piece of me, boy? This should be good. Transmit coordinates. Vector locked in. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Raider here. Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received. Roger. Attack formation. Standing by.
Affirmative. Roger that.
Roger. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Attack formation.
Go, go, go.
Standing by. Vector locked in.
Job finished.
Base is under attack.
Coordinates received. Roger. Locked in. Right on. Attack formation. Reporting in. Roger. Coordinates received. Rainer here. Sounds fun. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Standing by. Standing
Your
by.
forces are under
Reporting
attack.
in. Attack formation. Reporting in. Vector locked in. Roger. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Roger. Transmit coordinates. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. This is
Your
Jimmy.
forces are under attack.
Reporting in. Standing by. Coordinates received. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. This is Jimmy. This should be good. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Rainer here. This should be good. Oh yeah. Rainer here. Reporting in. Go ahead, Commander. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Right away, sir.
Standing by. Transmit coordinates. Roger. Vector locked in. Transmit coordinates. Rainer here. Oh yeah. Transmit coordinates.
Job's finished.
Roger. Rainer here.
Yes, sir. Orders received.
Commander.
Orders, Captain.
Jacked up.
Orders, Captain. Roger that. Affirmative. I read you. Affirmative.
This is Jimmy.
Reporting for duty.
This is Jimmy. This should be good. Oh yeah.
I read you. Reporting for duty.
Go ahead, Commander. Coordinates received. Transmit coordinates. Roger. Vector locked in. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in.
Job's finished.
Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Roger. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Transmit coordinates. Standing by. Vector locked in. Attack formation. Reporting in. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Roger.
Base is under
formation.
attack.
Roger. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Standing by. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received.
Reporting for duty. Orders received.
Reporting in. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Standing by. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation. Vector locked in.
Reporting for duty.
Reporting in. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Roger.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Commander. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Roger. Coordinates received. Roger. Attack formation. Roger.
Base is under attack.
Standing by. Coordinates received.
Reporting for duty.
Transmit coordinates. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Roger. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received.
Can I take your order?
Vector locked in. Attack formation. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Standing by. Reporting in. Go ahead, Commander. Vector locked in. Roger. Transmit coordinates. Vector locked in. Roger. Vector locked in. Standing by. Reporting in. Go ahead, Commander. Reporting in.
Your forces
Attack
are under
formation.
attack.
Coordinates received.
I read you.
Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received.
Input coordinates.
This is Jimmy.
Go ahead, HQ. In the 555.
Comlink online. Target designated. Confirmed. Acknowledged, HQ.
Go ahead, HQ. Buckle up. I copy that.
Channel open.
I'm listening. I copy that. In transit, HQ. Buckle up. Strap yourselves in, boys. I copy that.
You're about the last folks I expected to show up. What's your angle here, Minsk?
Our angle? I'll give you an angle, you slimy Confederate piece of
Jim, enough. I'll handle this. The Confederacy has fallen apart, Duke. Its colonies are in open revolt. The Zerg are rampaging unchecked. What would have happened here today if we hadn't shown up?
Your point?
I'm giving you a choice. You can return to the Confederacy and lose, or you can join us and help save our entire race from being overrun by the Zerg. I don't think it's a difficult decision.
Join forces with you? I'm a general, for God's sake.
A general without an army. I'm offering you a position in my cabinet, not just some backwater post. Don't test my patience, Edmund.
All right, Minsk. You got a deal.
You've made the right choice, General Duke.
I can't believe you're really gonna trust this snake.
Don't worry, Jim. He's our snake now.